Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some video about these DC adapters power supply. So I just discovered something that I will show you in this video. Let's begin. This is the first one. That is 12 volts 1.5 amp ITE use only. Well, let's check the voltage on this one. Let's set up the multimeter. Like this. 12.22. As you can see, that's a good one. The next will be the second one. This one is showing that is 12 volts 1 amp output. So, and this is the one that is doing wrong. Let's plug inside, touching the ground, and that is absolutely crazy. 16.1 volts, and it's rising up. I don't know if I'm touching. Let's do it like this. It's still going up. Yeah, it does. Yeah, so 16.2.1, whatever that is, this is wrong. That is wrong. So if you're using for some projects and you want exactly 12 volts, these labels are not right. This one being, I just write this on top so I get close, like 15.9 last time I measured. So if I use it somewhere, 15-16 volts, so I might be able to use this, but definitely not for 12 and under, because it will be too much. And this one was from the Virgin Media, the wireless router. Yeah, probably like 2-3 years old. Not sure how long I had it, but anyway, it's wrong. This is wrong. So every time you want to do something, you have to test, even if the label showing on these, oh, that was close enough, this model. Not sure where I got this from, but I think somewhere, not sure. I always save these adapters because they're handy, 12 volts, but this one, it's no good at all. So always check. Never trust these labels. I know they're there, but like this test, it shows this is nothing wrong. It's probably like, I don't know, it's not been used a lot, like a year or something. But I don't know what is the problem, why the voltage is up. But like I said, always check before you do. If you like my video, thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you're welcome. You can hit the bell icon so forget my new updates on my new videos. They'll pop up on your screen when they're available. Yeah, if you want, comment down below. I'm happy to answer your questions, or if you need some help to do something like that, you're welcome. Yeah, I hope you all safe, healthy, and stay tuned. See you next time.